What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. I know you must be wondering right now, where are you going in the nighttime? Because most of my videos are never in the nighttime. You know what? It's true. Like, I hardly ever make any videos at nighttime, but we're gonna be changing that from now on. So right now, Camilla and I, we met up. We're gonna be heading into Times Square. It's gonna be a pretty close ride because we're in Secaucus and we just gotta cross the Lincoln Tunnel up ahead here, and we're basically in the city right away. We're gonna be doing two videos. We're gonna be doing just a video wrapping around Times Square, around the city, showing you guys how everything is at nighttime right now. I know I did one a few weeks ago, but that was during the day, so obviously it's gonna be a much different vibe tonight. Show everyone the beautiful streets, the beautiful empty streets of Times Square at nighttime. And then we're gonna be doing another video on Camilo's bike. We're gonna be doing a little review on his 2019 CVO, and I might take it for a little ride. So some good stuff coming up. That video is gonna be tomorrow. If you're watching this right now, then yeah, that video will be up tomorrow. And I can hardly see anything right now because my visor is like dark as hell, and I can't even lift up the visor because if I do, then I'm gonna get all this wind inside and you guys can hear me talk. So yeah, that's that. On the way back, then I'll put my clear glasses on, lift the visor up, and just ride like that. It's not that bad though. I hope everyone's enjoying their day, enjoying their evening, enjoying their morning, whatever it is right now. As you're watching this video, hope you're enjoying your day. Sit back, relax, enjoy the views, and enjoy the video. Really chilly now. Earlier in the day it was beautiful here. Today it was 65 degrees, sunny skies, blue skies, clear skies, and it got a little cold now. All right guys, so we're entering the Lincoln Tunnel. We're going to be crossing over into the city now. Wow, look at this, no traffic whatsoever. Yeah, some nice pipe sounds in here. Oh, that sounds amazing in here. Those pipes sound amazing. Amazing. This guy has tons and tons of stuff on that bike. He's putting like $6 grand into it. So if you want to find out all the details on what he has put in that 2019 CVO, make sure to watch that video tomorrow. Alright, so we're down in the city now. That shit sounded crazy in there, bro. I know, it's nuts. It's weird as hell. I'm legend vibes. Alright guys, so here we are again, Times Square. Beautiful lights, beautiful city, beautiful nights. Happy to bring you guys along with the ride. Look at this, all empty. Yo, Times Square, it doesn't matter what day it is. Today is what? Today's Tuesday. It doesn't matter if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It doesn't matter what day of the week it is. At this time, it's around 8 o'clock right now, 9 o'clock. This place will be packed. Packed, packed, packed. Empty streets of Times Square at nighttime, guys. Take it in, breathe it in. Take it in as a big breath of fresh air. We're gonna see where we can pull up around here somewhere. Take some dope pictures. Thank you.
Pero quiero una de estas. Quiero cambiar el estilo. Quiero una bola, viejo. Nice. You know what I'm gonna do?
What's up?
Take a picture of me in the middle of the block, and then you pull up, and I'll take a picture in the middle.
Yeah, I got you. Wait for the red light, though.
When there's no car, take a picture.
Bro, fire. Fire, bro. Ooh, look at the GTR. That's fire right there. Yo, we're never gonna be able to take these pictures ever again in life. You gotta take advantage. Oh my God, what? Bro, that's fire. What? Yeah, I'm gonna frame that. That is so dope. Oh my God. Wow. All right, let me give you guys a nice little shot of the both bikes right here and parked next to each other. They look beautiful. Look at those colorful lights this guy has on them. And he's able to change them in different colors as well. Super dope. I know that this is what you guys wanted to see most of all anyways. You guys don't care about my face or my voice. You just want to see the bikes, right? So there they are. The two beauties. Oh man, they look beautiful. All right, so we're gonna go ahead real quick and we're gonna do a quick little video here. We're gonna do a review on that bike right now. So tune in for that video tomorrow. That's gonna be up. We're gonna keep riding, enjoying the night. If you're new to my channel, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe right now. Hit that bell button. This will notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. I am Legend Vibes. This is New York City, baby. Like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace. These pipes sound amazing, as you can hear. They sound crazy.